Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0506, specifically indicates that the idle control system in the Honda Pilot is experiencing an issue where its revolutions per minute, RPM, are lower than expected. This could be caused by several factors associated with the throttle body and idle control components. In standard operation, the idle control system is essential for stabilizing engine speed during idle. It ensures that the engine runs smoothly, especially during various load conditions. When an issue arises, it can trigger the P0506 code and illuminate the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard. Addressing this error promptly is vital, as it impacts drivability, fuel efficiency, and may lead to more severe engine problems if neglected. DTC P0506 refers to the idle control system RPM being lower than the expected threshold, indicating a malfunction that could lead to adverse effects on engine performance. The main components affected include the throttle body and idle air control valves, which are located in the intake pathway of the engine. These components work alongside the engine control module, ECM, to manage the air-fuel mixture, critical for maintaining proper RPM during idle. The throttle body modulates the airflow entering the engine, while the idle control system ensures that the engine can maintain optimal RPM levels when not under load. Malfunctions in this system can cause stalling, poor acceleration, or erratic idling, severely affecting the drivability of the vehicle. There are several possible causes for the P0506 DTC that should be carefully evaluated. A faulty idle control valve can disrupt the flow of air to the engine, preventing it from maintaining the proper RPM. On the other hand, a dirty throttle body can accumulate carbon and dirt over time, further inhibiting airflow and affecting engine responsiveness. Additionally, issues related to the air intake system can introduce unwanted leaks or blockages that would compromise the optimal operation of the idle control system. Each of these factors can contribute to the inability of the vehicle's engine to stabilize its idle, leading to the generation of this diagnostic trouble code. The symptoms associated with DTC P0506 include an illuminated check engine light, CEL, that serves as a warning to the driver. You may notice that the engine is stalling or experiencing a rough idle, which can be most pronounced when the vehicle is in a stationary position without engaging the throttle. Additional symptoms may include poor acceleration performance, where the engine struggles to gain speed even when the accelerator is pressed. These experiences can make driving frustrating and taxing, leading to potentially dangerous situations on the road. Recognizing these symptoms early and taking corrective actions can help ensure the vehicle remains safe to operate. For the first step in troubleshooting DTC P0506, begin by placing the vehicle in the on mode without starting the engine. Next, clear the existing Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTC, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which is an advanced tool used for scanning and diagnosing Honda vehicles. After clearing the codes, start the engine and hold the RPM at 3000 while the vehicle is in park, P, or neutral, N. This process helps ensure the engine reaches the necessary RPM settings to accurately evaluate its operating conditions. It's crucial to maintain this RPM until the radiator fan engages, typically indicating adequate coolant temperatures. After maintaining this for 20 seconds, data from various sensors must be checked to verify the operational status and to see if the error still exists. Moving on to step 2 of the troubleshooting process, you will need to turn off the vehicle to safely inspect the throttle body. Remove the intake air duct from the throttle body to gain direct access to its bore. Inspect the throttle bore meticulously for any dirt, carbon buildup, or physical damage. If any contaminants are found, it is vital to clean the throttle body thoroughly to restore proper airflow. Additionally, check the air cleaner element for any signs of damage or obstruction. If you find that the throttle body itself is damaged, it must be replaced, as it plays a crucial role in maintaining the engine's airflow. If the throttle body is clean and undamaged, it is essential to proceed with the next steps of troubleshooting. In Step 3, repeat the visual inspection of the throttle body, ensuring nothing was missed during the previous checks. Begin by turning the vehicle off to ensure a safe working environment. Again, remove the intake air duct from the throttle body and visually check for dirt, carbon accumulation, or damage inside the throttle bore. A thorough examination could reveal underlying issues that might have been overlooked. If dirt or carbon deposits are present, they need to be cleaned properly before proceeding. Should you find any physical damage during this inspection, replacing the throttle body becomes necessary to restore optimal functionality. If everything is found to be in good condition, you would then move towards checking additional components related to the idle control system. For the fourth troubleshooting step, you will first need to reinstall the intake air duct securely back onto the throttle body. After ensuring that everything is connected properly, switch the vehicle to on mode yet again to prepare for another diagnostic check. Once in this mode, clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, allowing you to reset the codes before running the test. Start the engine and hold the RPM at 3000 as before, without any load, until you hear the radiator fan activate. After that, let the engine idle while monitoring specific data parameters through the HDS. You'll need to check crucial sensors to confirm conditions such as engine coolant temperature, intake air temperature, vehicle speed, and short-term fuel trim values. This data will allow you to verify whether the system is functioning correctly or if the issue persists. Once all the necessary repairs and checks are completed, it is essential to perform a final verification to confirm that all systems are functioning correctly and that DTC P0506 has been resolved. It is advisable to take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions to see if any symptoms re-emerge. Any new instances of the check engine light coming on or other performance-related issues could signify that further diagnostics may be necessary. By carefully monitoring the vehicle's behavior, you ensure that repairs were effective and that the vehicle is now in optimal working condition. The final verification step is crucial to guarantee customer satisfaction and vehicle reliability. To help prevent future occurrences of DTC P0506, implementing regular maintenance can play a vital role. Keeping the throttle body clean from dirt and carbon buildup is essential, as contaminants can lead to improper air-fuel mixtures and affect engine performance. Regularly checking and replacing air filters will help ensure that clean air is consistently supplied to the engine, reducing the risk of throttle body contamination. Additionally, it's wise to monitor engine idle performance and directly address any irregular behaviors immediately. Regular maintenance not only improves vehicle efficiency, but also extends the lifespan of engine components, making it a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0506 and its implications is crucial for maintaining a healthy Honda Pilot. Idle control systems play an important role in overall engine performance, and recognizing the signs of malfunction can lead to timely repairs. The diagnostic steps outlined serve as a comprehensive guide for troubleshooting and resolving this specific error code. Employing preventive maintenance techniques can can help to avoid future issues, ensuring that the engine continues to operate smoothly. By staying proactive with vehicle care, you can improve the driving experience while extending the life of the Honda Pilot. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.